Have you ever locked eyes with someone and found yourself completely captivated by their gaze? Maybe it was the deep warmth of rich brown eyes, the cool intensity of piercing blue, or the rare, almost mystical shimmer of green or hazel. Eyes come in a stunning variety of colors, each one unique, but why? What causes this beautiful diversity in something as simple as the color of our irises? The answer is a captivating mix of genetics, biology, and even a little bit of physics, all working together to create the incredible spectrum of human eye colors we see today. At the heart of eye color lies a pigment called melanin, the same substance responsible for the color of our skin and hair. The more melanin present in the iris, the darker the eyes appear. Brown eyes, the most common color worldwide, contain a high concentration of melanin. Blue eyes, on the other hand, have much less melanin, allowing light to scatter in a way that creates their distinctive hue. Green and hazel eyes sit somewhere in the middle, their colors shaped by a delicate balance of pigment and the way light interacts with the structure of the iris. But how exactly does this work? The iris isn't just a flat, colored disc. It's made up of intricate layers and fibers that influence how light is absorbed and reflected. When light enters the eye, some of it is absorbed by melanin, while the rest is scattered. In eyes with very little melanin, such as blue ones, light bounces off the collagen fibers in the iris and scatters in much the same way sunlight scatters in the atmosphere to make the sky appear blue. This phenomenon, known as Rayleigh scattering, is why some eyes seem to shift in color depending on lighting conditions. Green eyes get their unique shade from a small amount of melanin combined with this scattering effect, while hazel eyes often appear to change between green, gold, and brown due to varying concentrations of pigment. Of course, none of this would matter without the role of genetics. For a long time, scientists believed eye color was determined by a simple dominant recessive pattern, brown eyes being dominant over blue, but we now know it's far more complex. Multiple genes contribute to eye color, each playing a part in how melanin is produced and distributed in the iris. One of the most important genes is OCA2, which controls melanin production. Variations in this gene can reduce the amount of melanin in the iris, leading to lighter eye colors. Another gene, HERC2, acts like a switch that turns OCA2 on or off, further influencing whether someone ends up with brown, blue, or something in between. What's truly fascinating is that all blue-eyed people might share a single, ancient ancestor. Researchers believe that a mutation affecting the OCA2 gene occurred between 6,000 and 10,000 years ago, effectively turning down melanin production in the iris. Before this mutation, everyone on Earth had brown eyes. But once this genetic variation appeared, it spread through populations, resulting in the striking blue eyes we see today. That means if you have blue eyes, you're connected by a distant genetic thread to that one individual who first carried this mutation. Green eyes are even rarer, found in only about 2% of the global population. Their unique color comes from a combination of low melanin levels and the presence of a yellowish pigment called lipochrome. When this mixes with the blue scattering effect, the result is that enchanting green hue. Hazel eyes, often mistaken for green, are actually a blend of colors, typically brown and green, with gold flecks created by uneven melanin distribution. This makes them appear to shift in different lighting, adding to their mysterious charm. Then there are those with two different colored eyes, a condition known as heterochromia. This can be genetic, caused by a harmless mutation during development, or acquired later in life due to injury, illness, or certain medications. Some people have complete heterochromia, where one eye is an entirely different color from the other, while others have sectoral heterochromia, where only part of the iris is a different shade. It's a rare and striking trait that has fascinated people for centuries, often lending an air of uniqueness to those who have it. Interestingly, eye color can change over time. Many babies are born with blue or gray eyes that darken as they grow older and their melanin production increases. By the age of 3, most children's eye colors have settled into their permanent shade. Though subtle changes can still occur due to aging, disease, or even emotional state, some people report their eyes appearing brighter or darker depending on their mood. The study of eye color isn't just about aesthetics, it also provides insights into human history and migration. The distribution of eye colors across the world tells a story of how populations moved, mixed, and adapted over thousands of years. For example, blue eyes are most common in Northern and Eastern Europe, while brown eyes dominate in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Green eyes are rarest, appearing most frequently in parts of Europe, particularly in countries like Ireland and Scotland. These patterns reflect the complex interplay of genetics, environment, and chance that has shaped human diversity. So the next time you notice someone's eye color, remember it's not just a random trait. It's the result of intricate biological processes, ancient genetic mutations, and the fascinating way light interacts with the human body. Whether deep brown, vivid blue, shimmering green, or a mesmerizing mix of hues, every pair of eyes carries a story written in DNA, a silent testament to the incredible complexity of human genetics. And who knows, maybe future discoveries will reveal even more secrets hidden within the colors of our gaze.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.